Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 paired with the iPhone 11 Pro.
I'm going to call 911.
Both with the latest software updates installed.
And a lot of people were curious in the comments for our recent Galaxy Watch Active 2 videos if it works with an iPhone.
That's not supported when paired with this mobile device.
And if yes, how does it work with an iPhone? Because after all, Samsung is advertising it works with an iPhone.
I'll keep learning to give you a better experience.
We have tested calls, Bixby, messaging, and social media.
And many more applications. If you are new to our channel, we do awesome tech reviews and more, but mainly awesome tech reviews.
Pairing the watch with an iPhone is actually super simple. All you have to do is download the Galaxy Watch app from the App Store, and within a matter of minutes you have found your device and paired it with the phone. The app itself is in an iOS format and simple to use.
Yeah, it has limited usage. You have also toggle on and off switches as you would have with any other iPhone or iOS application. We did notice though, out of the box, there are 3 applications missing. Number 1, texting. Number 2, emails. And number 3, navigation. So these are like kind of main features already not visible in the applications folder.
We also tried to download Twitter and WhatsApp to the watch itself, and we failed.
So what about sending and receiving text messages? I receive a message on the watch. I receive the contents of the message, but there is no way to reply to it. There is also no option to send a text message on the watch.
So you've seen the footage outside and you have seen that it does have limitations.
Oh yeah.
However, it does show you your notifications, so you can see what you need to see on a daily basis.
Yeah. You can't do anything with any other notification though. You tried, didn't you? And it turns out that you can really just view the notification and then you have to pull out your phone.
Yes, no matter how many times you tap on the watch face, you will not get any further.
But what you can do is you can listen to music via Spotify. You can download music, you can stream music. That works really well, and we tried that, and that's a good feature to have, right? We also tried different applications. You can download the New York Times, and the fitness tracker itself will just work as a fitness tracker. You just don't have the Samsung Health app on your phone or any customization. You basically just have a fitness watch with that fitness tracker when it comes to counting your calories or steps.
So how about receiving calls? I receive a call, I swipe to answer the call, and it says, check your phone. The call is then transferred to my phone, as you see, and I can speak to Jens. But how about making a call from the Watch Active 2? I choose the call function, enter the number, and press call, and it says check your phone to make sure it's connected. I go to the phone and I receive a notification from the Galaxy Watch Active app that tells me that my phone is not yet connected. I have connected it over and over again, but to date I have not been able to make an outgoing call. So I can't make outgoing calls, I can't receive calls on the watch. What happens if something goes really wrong and I need to call 911 immediately? I'm gonna try that now. Check your phone to see if it's connected. I really don't feel safe. I'm going to call 911. So I can't even call emergency services. If I have an accident, I fall down, I can't reach my phone. There is no instant fall detection on the watch that would automatically call services that I couldn't then make the call to emergency services on this watch.
You saw the calls, you saw that I could not make an outgoing call, I could not receive an incoming call on the watch itself. That was super disappointing for me.
Yeah, we understand that both ecosystems and both companies have their limitations when it comes to working together, and we get that and we respect that. However, there's one main feature we believe that should be available at any point at any time, and that is calling the emergency services, whether that be 911 or any other emergency number you have to call in an emergency. And I'm kind of disappointed because you can actually use your cell phone without a SIM card and call 911, and you can't call via the watch. I think that's something both companies need to sort out.
Absolutely. I think it's a prime feature, especially as it doesn't have the feature.
Fall detection. Absolutely. It doesn't have the fall detection, which also means you can't do anything. You have to reach for your phone in any event.
What if I'm out and about with my Galaxy Watch Active 2 and I want to ask Bixby something? Hi Bixby, what events do I have today?
Sure, you have 2 events scheduled for today. Today at 9 a.m. Nate Hair plus 1 more.
Thank you. Hi Bixby, can you read me my last text message?
That's not supported when paired with this mobile device.
Hi Bixby, can you show me the way to Munich Airport?
That function can't be supported. I'll keep learning to give you a better experience.
So what's your conclusion?
You made it this far. Before we move on to our conclusion, here's out. We have an important announcement to make. You guys have asked us over and over again, where did we get the Bluetooth version in stainless steel 44mm in black, because many people can't get it around the world.
This is your chance to win the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 in the Bluetooth version, stainless steel and 44mm.
All you have to do is subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. If you have already subscribed to our channel, don't worry about it. Like our video, step number 2. Like our video, step number 3.
Don't forget to share the video using the hashtag GWA2. And on top of that, we would like you to comment with the favorite feature, your favorite feature of the Galaxy Watch Active 2, and whether you'll be using it on Android or an iPhone.
I am kind of disappointed, to be fair, because I was really looking forward to using that watch with my iPhone, and I'm curious. I wanted to use that watch on a daily basis. I like the round watch face. I like having something different and not just being stuck in the Apple ecosystem, right? But I am disappointed that the functionality is really that small. So I'm not going to use it moving forward. How about you?
For me, it's instantly downgraded to a fitness device as soon as it's connected with the iPhone. However, I do think maybe when the LTE version does come out, that maybe that could bridge the gap and you could mix Android and iOS.
Yes, that's going to be tested as soon as we have the LTE version. But as for now, our recommendation surely is, if you are an Android user, stick with an Android watch or stick with Samsung, and if you are an iPhone user, stick with the Apple ecosystem.
So let's look at the comments from the previous videos and see if there are any that I haven't answered yet. Is there a second strap in the package? Comes from Luca Bernardi. No, there are no second strap. Have you seen a difference in performance in the 2 watches? Comes from Sarah Rees. We have seen no differences between the Active 2 stainless steel and the Active 2 aluminium. The next question comes from Asad Khalifa. Hi guys, is the Bluetooth version have a built-in speaker? Yes, absolutely. We've shown that on our video today and on the previous videos. And another question comes in from, which is a good question, comes in from Tambia Ahmed. Do you guys think this watch is worth it, or should I wait another year? That's a great question. If you are an Android user, I think it's absolutely worth the money. If you are an Apple user, as we've seen today, probably not. I would wait for the LTE version. And our final question, What are the best apps to use with the Active 2? Well, I actually found the YouTube app to be super useful, and the viewer for Twitter. That was also an app where I could scroll through all my Twitter account as I please. 'Cause I'll be backsliding.